Welcome back to 90s Punk Rock Covers. My name is Sam. Today I will share with you a new set of pickups I just installed in my beloved 90s Les Paul Classic, the Reissue Sound Pickups Gold Tooth. Before I get started, I just want to do a little channel housekeeping. This month, the channel turns 4 years old, which is crazy because this has been the longest project I have ever been a part of. Usually, I'm the type of person that gets all hyped up and gets to work about something, and halfway there, slowly start to lose interest and then jump into something new, a new project or whatever. But thanks to the great feedback that I've gotten from a lot of you, it really keeps me motivated to continue and move forward and keep providing new content for you guys. Now, having said that, I have a few goals that I really want to reach by the end of the year, and one of them is hitting that 10,000 subscriber mark. Now, the channel is currently at a little over 7,000, so please help share this channel, my videos, in order to help me reach this goal. And as always, your support goes a long way, so thank you very much. So now into the video. Now, I first heard of Reissue sound pickups via Instagram and from a fellow YouTuber and my social media bud, Ryan from Demos in the Dark. By the way, go check out his channel. He's an awesome guitar player. So I contacted Josh at Reissue and told him the sound that I was looking for. As you might already know, this 90s Classic was my first real guitar, and it's been with me since the day I purchased it from my local Sam Ash, and it really has become my tester guitar. It's seen about a dozen or more pickups throughout the 20+ year of its life, and naturally this guitar has a darker tone than other Les Pauls that I own. So typically when I tend to go for pickups that have a little extra bite and a little more top end, in order to even out the natural tone of the guitar. Now, I was initially interested in the RAV2 set that Josh offers, which is his take on a hot PAF style. But after chatting with him for a while, he recommended the Gold Tooth set. He felt they would help me achieve the sound that I was looking for. Now, the bridge pickup has an all-nickel 5 magnet, and it's rated at 8.3. which I find that to be the sweet spot for my kind of playing and overall style. And the neck pickup has an all-nickel 4 magnet, and it's rated at 6.9, thus making the neck pickup less boomy and a little brighter and dynamic. Basically the perfect setup for me. I really can't stress enough how pleasant it was to deal with Josh. He was super helpful along the way, and I actually find out that he's an East Bay punk rocker who's played in a bunch of bands in the early 2000s. And you guys know how much I love to work with builders that came up in the punk rock scene, so it just makes everything a little extra special. Now, the packaging of the pickups was great. It came with all sorts of goodies like stickers and even new capacitors in case you want to switch out your stock ones, which sometimes they're not really the best quality in some guitars anyway. I opted to keep the ones that I currently had since I had already stripped out all of the original pots and wiring years ago for some high quality stuff, but kept the ones that Josh included just in case. Now, I'm not sure if other pickup companies do this, but I thought this was a very classy move. Also, I'm a big fan of double creams, especially on a 60s reissue Les Paul such as this one. So I asked Josh if I could order these as a custom set in double cream, but due to legalities with another pickup brand, which I won't name here, I'm pretty sure you guys know who I'm talking about, these will always come stock with covers. So if you want to have this look, you have to remove the covers yourself before installing them. Overall, I am super happy with how this guitar sounds and feels. Definitely a worthy upgrade to my last pickups. And these have tons of dynamic and character and clarity in the notes with just the right amount of bite and push I like in a bridge pickup. I'll admit I play about 90% of the time in the bridge position all the time, but I'm really enjoying the sweetness of the neck pickup a lot. I had never played an all-nickel 4 magnet before, so it definitely got me super interested in a future set with both all-nickel 4 magnets. Gold Tooth retails for $165 each, and they're part of their Vintage Voice Humbucker series. And the name comes from having one of the screws in gold finish, which I think gives the pickups a really cool aesthetic character. So who are these pickups for? If you are in the market for a hot vintage inspired boutique pickup at a price that won't break the bank, I will definitely give Reissue Sound a look. Josh offers tons of different styles and will gladly help you choose the right one for you. Now this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's gear spotlight. Thank you all for watching. As always, please share this video, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell to stay notified of future videos. Remember to look me up on Instagram as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.